Okay, so I made this little game using a prompt generator in Gemini 2.5 just to show an example of how you can use the prompt generator. And yeah, it's a little novel output combination of Arkanoid and Tetris. So let's show how to use the prompt generator. I've got some text ready to go to paste in here, but before I do that, I'll just quickly go over some of these things. So if you do Unity work, you can do Unity scripting, Blender script, Python, all the other general ones, Arduino. So just choose which one you want to output, and then you've got some of these binary selections here. So generally, you don't have to worry too much about security. And yeah, modularity. There's one thing you might want to consider in other constraints is all in one file. If you're making a web game, for example, I'll just copy that in here so you can see how I've used it. So we're making a web game hybrid between Arkanoid and Tetris. Alright, when the ball hits the blocks, etc., and then use it on mobile devices. I haven't done that yet, but it works on Windows, so it's just really for an example anyway. I don't want to go into too much detail in this one example. So I've put my few constraints and things in here. So we generate the output, and as you can see, it's instant because it's just generated algorithmically rather than like AI. Okay, so once we've got our input there, I've generated the prompt, copy to clipboard, go to Gemini and paste the prompt in there. And I've already done that one, so I won't do it again, but that's how it works. That's it.